Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We go live here every day for the opening and closing bell. Today has been the perfect trading day. Perfect for Virgin Galactic, perfect for many of my stocks, even though we are at this very precise moment slightly down. Been absolutely perfect because the overall portfolio doesn't reflect your profits, it reflects the price of where we are today. How many stocks you've acquired aren't really built into the price. It's all about repositioning for a better future. When things turn up, you've acquired more and more stock at lower prices, so you will fly off the shelves, if you like, if you think of it in the terms of sales, a lot quicker. So today has been the perfect day for my trades. I'm very excited. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Let me show you why and what's gone on here today. Absolutely great. You can see now on the hour we're down a 0.73. A bit of a sell-off right now. But let's go over to the main portfolio and let's bring everything in. I'll show you exactly what I've been up to. I've been very busy throughout the day, trading non-stop. It's been absolutely perfect. And let's get Alex straight into the show. Here's Alex. He's straight in. How are you, mate? How did you get on with what we talked about this morning? You were on about just creating an account. If by the way, as a sponsor member, I offer online assistance. I can tap into your computer. I have an Easy Deck. Sorry, what's it called? Easy Desk, not that. No, something desk. I have an app that I can send you. And I can just remotely control, come into your PC while you watch, and I will set up your account for you in like about 30 seconds. What's it called? Something desk. I send you an email, you click on a link, it opens a link up, and I can access your computer, and I can actually fix your account and instantly. It takes me about a minute to do it. If you want me to, I'd more than happily do it after we finish here today. More than happy to do that if you want me to. Just easy. What's it called? Anyway, doesn't matter. No, it does. It really is bothering me now. It's bothering me that I can't remember. I'm gonna look. Look, I'm gonna minimize my window and I'm gonna look down here. It's down here. It's along here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Yeah, AnyDesk. God, that was driving me bonkers. AnyDesk. Yeah, I can send you a link to AnyDesk. You can download the link, and within 30 seconds, I can be on your computer, and I can set your YouTube account up in seconds. Anyway, that's up to you. Just let me know. And that's what you need, another account that's not linked to, that's not restricted. Anyway, moving on. Subscribe or ring the bell. There we go. And give us a thumbs up if you are new to the channel. Today's been the perfect trading day. I'll tell you why. Tesla has taken a hell of a dip today. This is not Tesla's issues. This is global issues with Ukraine and all that other stuff. So I've acquired a lot more stock today of Tesla. I love it. So I've lowered my averages from over $1,100 down to $856, as you can see. Been buying the dips, and I will be selling as we go up, just to trim that off and make profits on the way up. Rivian is down. SPCE, perfect. Look at this. The perfect trading day for Virgin Galactic. There it is, right there. Look at this. I was here this morning. I was 80% down on Virgin Galactic from the past test flights last year. Kept buying, trading, acquiring more and more stock by the profits I was making, all the way down. So 80% down was down to 4% down. And then this morning, we had one almighty bounce, 14% after the earnings. People liked it, but I knew it was going to go back down. And the reason I knew it was going to go back down, we didn't talk about it much this morning, was because they will raise more money and the stock will be diluted. But they will not do that until the stock rises to a great amount, because they get less money. There's no point doing it on a low level. It needs to pop up. So you notice the stock went flying up today. That may have been what happened. I don't know. There's no way for me to know that right now anyway, but it popped right up, and I sold it here. I made $600 by the time it got to here. I bought it again here, sold it here, made another $50. That went to $650, and then I bought it here. And did you see the bounce off of 830? Yes, I did on the first leg down. Bounce off 830 to the cent on the support level. That's why you read charts. Well, it's not why I read charts, because as you remember, we discussed it, market, in the show. I said to you, you said to me it would bounce off 830, and you're absolutely right. It did exactly as you predicted. So what I did, I set an 834 purchase of 500 shares. You remember that? So I did that. It popped up, I sold it straight away, and then I kept buying it down and down and down. So I manually did it, all right? And I've been buying them all the way down. Guess what? I now have 1,300. I have 1,300 shares again. Look at that. Pretty much where I started out from this morning. I'm back in, but I'm now back in with an average of 826. My average this morning was 844. Celebrate good times. Come on. Seriously, let's celebrate, because at the end of the day, I made $600 on the first trade, $50 on the second trade, and I think I made about $50 on the so it's something like I've made $700 today from Virgin Galactic. But what's really great is I'm back in the stock with a lower average. I'm back in at 826, not 844. So I'm ready to sell again, though. As you can see, I'm ready. I've got an order here to sell at 300. So I'm watching to see if we can bounce up to 820, 830, and I'll sell 300 of those, because I don't think the dilution has happened yet. I think this was just the bounce we expected that would happen after the earnings, and then people took profits. People like me who used to have a stock at 37, there's a lot of people up there that haven't been chiseling away all the way down, and they looked at that as a bit of a loss leader to get back some of the money they'd lost. Well, I didn't lose any money, of course, because I chipped away at it, but I did take the profit and then did buy it back. So I think that was a perfect day. How is your overall portfolio? We are testing some very critical levels. My overall portfolio is awful today. Awful. It's a brutal day, yeah. Down 0.9. Down 0.9. But again, like I keep saying, we're building for the future. We're building the foundations. Even though my portfolio now is down near its all-time low, 35. I know I started from 5,000, but 5,000 isn't my low, because I grew up to 58 and now back to 35, and now I'm up at 36, 37. But what I've done also, with all the profits I made, that's actually not bad. Markets are puking today. Yeah, it's not bad. But what I've also done, I've added big time to my Tesla position. And I know Market Profit will say, Martin, Tesla's only worth flipping $200, but we disagree with that, because I think Elon Musk is worth $1,000 by himself. But yeah, I mean, whoa, what's happened there? I've just got a huge bounce in the last few moments. Let me just check on my main screen here. Whoa, what's going on there? Let me refresh my chart a minute before I announce. I want to just check that. Okay, that's better. I was getting a very, very crazy chart, which looked a bit odd. It's all right. It needed refreshing. Okay. Anyway, so I've now got 9 shares of Tesla. So I'm going to be selling those 4 shares, because I only want 5. Those 4 shares very quickly. All right. So today, in my book, was the very, very perfect day. And that's actually not bad at all. Have you seen how Roblox has gone to, how low Roblox have gone to? Jacob Gamble, right, I'll have a look. How much is monthly sponsor spot? How much is monthly sponsor spot? Nudge it, budget, move it. You know, you've been doing it for the last 2 months. How much is monthly sponsor spot? You mean the sponsor membership? It's $99. You've been doing it for the last 2 months. Why are you asking me that? What's going on here? Nudge it, budget, move it. You've been a sponsor. You are a sponsor. You have been for the last 2 months. Why are you asking me that? Tesla just broke its 200 moving average. Next support is 624. Lots of gaps to fill. Yeah, but gap. Yeah, but gap to USD. Gap, I don't understand what you mean, Nudge It. I'm sorry. Here is the link. Nudge It. This is what I suggest you do, Nudge It. I want what's best for you, right? The best for you is not paying via PayPal, even though I get more money. And it's better for me, but I want what's best for you. What's best for you is you control your own account, and you can then get the benefits and the perks. There are more perks coming down the line for sponsors. If you just pay me, I appreciate that, and it's better for me, but it's not best for you. I know I would give you the same perks, but you want to be recognized as a sponsor, recognized as a member. It's better for you, even though I get less because, you know, YouTube take a cut. The very, very easiest way is I can go into, I literally can do it live on the screen. I can even show you. Wonder if I can do it like this. Right, I'm gonna try and show you. Look, you can actually create an account in like, I can do it in like a minute, and if you want me to log into your computer, I'll do it for you. But look, this is my YouTube account right here. Look, these are all my accounts, right down the side. Look, and look, you just click on that. Here, look, and switch account and add an account. I'm sure you know how to do this, but I'm just trying to show you. Look, I can't zoom in on that one, I'm afraid. Yeah, it won't let me zoom in. But anyway, because it's not part of the window. But just down here in the icon, it says add an account. You click an account and done. I sent it in PayPal in the end. Oh, you did? Okay. Oh, well, that's best for me, but I wanted what was best for you. All right. I wanted what was best for you. Right. Now then, there are 3 people who wanted to speak to Nudge It, Budget, Move It for website services. Martin Redding, you've got his details now. Caden Youngquist. Anybody here? We've lost the last person. We don't know who the person was who would wanted to talk to Nudge It, Budget, Move It for website building. If it's you, let us know in the chat, please, and we'll connect you up. But remember, below all the videos is the sponsorship website. You can go and it's very easy to do it. Anyway. Rivian is down today, 8%. I'm just thinking out loud. I apologize. 8.2 now. So Virgin Galactic. Let me go watch a minute. Go watch Tesla. It's about a free fall. No support left and lots of volume. Yeah, it might do, but it'll come back. I'm not worried about Tesla. I'm not remotely worried. Do you think it's about to fall then? Do you? No support left and lots of volume. I'm not really worried about Tesla. I mean, Tesla's too. Roblox is down a lot. Good evening, Martin. Good evening, all. You sent it on PayPal in the end. Let me go and have a look. Let me see if I got an email. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that, Alex. Very, very decent of you. Very, very decent of you. Thank you very much. I will tell you that there was a fee of $4.88 on PayPal, but I will tell you, just so you know, but I will tell you that is less than YouTube would charge me. That is less than YouTube charged me. So I'm just telling you, if you send money like that, what you do is you use the Friends service, not the... and another thing you do as well is you send it in that country's... currency. That way you don't pay the fee. But I'll just tell you that is much better for me than if you'd done it through YouTube. All right. Anyway, that's very, very kind of you to do that. I wanted what was best for you, not best for me. It's not about being worried. Just watch the action. Yeah, I get it. I get what you're saying, Market. You're absolutely right. Of course, if we know it's about to go down, then clearly I should sell my position and then buy it back cheaper, obviously. I mean, that would make sense. But I think it will bounce back up again. What I might be inclined to do is, if it does crash back down, I'll just buy some more, rather than sell this position now. Roblox. I got a request for Roblox. Let me have a look. Roblox. I think I'm out of this stock right now. Am I? Let's have a look. Yeah. I didn't like where it was going. I sold out of it. It's an 80% buy from the analysts. Overwhelmingly, they say you should buy it, but yeah, it's down big time, isn't it? I'm not really a fan of the gaming services. I'm not really a fan of it. I sold out of it a long time ago. Yeah, I'm not currently in that. What's their position there? Let's have a look at their earnings. Yeah, their actual earnings are yeah. Their earnings is down as well. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of Roblox. I'm kind of done with it. But there you go. Thanks for bringing it to our attention, though. I appreciate it very much. If you just tuned in today, welcome. And click subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a thumbs up. We were talking today about today was the perfect trading day. It's probably my best ever day. I just can't recover. I just can't recover. Haven't bought it. Oh, it just can't recover. Oh, you haven't bought it. You haven't bought it. Okay. Well, that's good then, right? Hello, mate. Hey, Richard Lader. Richard Lader's in the house. How are you, mate? We got one of my mates here in the house. I say he's a mate. He's not really a mate, because if you look, he's not a member. Nudge It, Budget, Move It, by the way, is a sponsor member. He's just paying me directly through PayPal. Do you know what? I might go into your account and just fix that, because I know how to fix it. Because I want you to show up as a member. I know you are, and we all know you are, but we want it to show up. Anyway. Hello, mate. It's been a while. Yes, it has. We're growing now here on the channel. We're doing very, very well. We've had our best trading day ever, and your son Sam missed it. I had my biggest position, 1,500 shares of Virgin Galactic, $14,000. I sold it all here today. Made a profit, and I bought it all back down here lower than I bought it in the first place. So it's been the perfect day for Virgin Galactic. I mean, that to me is the best trade, and that's the best you can do, right? Anyway, got a lot of problems now, of course, with Europe now, of course. Now then, we've got one of our sponsors in the show today. That is Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is in the house. And let's bring him in. This is Nudge It, Budget, Move It. He's one of our sponsor members, which is our highest membership you can be. He's sponsor member. Here he is. And he offers website services. If you're interested in this, Richard, you might be interested. Tom might be interested in this as well. Nudge It, Budget, Move It as a website. We'll build your website at all budgets, and does a money back guarantee if you're not entirely satisfied. No one else, and I don't know anyone else, does that. All right, and you're dealing with one of our friends that is here every day in the channel, so you can talk to him. There's his channel. He's on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Let's get him up. 217 subscribers to his channel. It's in the chat right now. Everyone go and subscribe to him. Richard, go and subscribe to him. Tom, go and subscribe to him. We all support everyone. That's what our channel does. Right. Let's get back over to Tesla. Market profit says it's about to crash all the way down. Let's have a look at it. SPCE. I've now got a 803 now. 804. Right. We're now hitting another low. So I am going to buy another at 804. Where are we? What was the 803, 804? I'm going to buy 300 shares there at 804. Review order. Buy 300, 804, buy. I'm going to buy another 300. Okay, that takes me to 13,000 again now. So I made my profit this morning, and now I'm buying it back a lot cheaper than it was. So what I'll look to do now is sell quickly as I can those 300 shares. We've got 1,600 now, which is the maximum I've ever had. So we just bought those for 803. Okay, so here we go. We'll sell 300 shares at 806, 807. If we get a bit of a bounce, I'll sell them there anyway. Okay. Stocks are trying to push up a little. Hope it can continue. That's Ryan Sullivan. Welcome, Ryan. Did you hear someone this morning? Who was it this morning? It was in the chat. Someone said to me this morning, it's funny how aggressive people get in the day trading world. Someone this morning, one of my regulars, was really unhappy that I sold here. Because the bigger my channel gets, some people think I have influence. I have no influence whatsoever. I would if I had 2 million subscribers. But at where we are right now, not the case. But anyway, he was really upset with me because I'm pro Virgin Galactic SPCE that I sold it all here. And he said, I hope, I think he said it bites you in the ass or something. He was quite aggressive about it as it would shoot up. Well, it didn't. It fell back down. We thought it would, and it did, because all that was the hype from the sale yesterday, from the earnings yesterday. So I made my money, and now I've bought back. Remember, I never short a stock. It's not my thing. I know some of you do, and that's fine, but I don't. Smash the like button, and let's get up to 20 likes. We've got 40 minutes before the bell goes. Look, we're going to get a bit of a pump now, and we can sell these stocks out again, because I'm overweighted, and I'll do it now. All right. What we do here is we set a target every day of $100 a day. That's what we make every day, $100 a day. And in fact, we range now between 200 and 500, but our target is $100. It's a lot more than that. Today we made about $700, and in fact, we're about to do it again. So 803. I just bought 300 at 803. We might get a little bit of a lift off here, and I will sell because I've got too many again now. So if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell, give us a thumbs up. Let's bring up the information that you need. Here is the bottom ticker, and here are the prices right now. Let me bring them in. How are you, Richard Laidler, by the way? You've gone a bit quiet. Are you all right, mate? You still here? Let me check all the screens. Yep, we're all running. All good. So we're looking at now a trade of 806, 807. Let's see if we can get to $1,000 today in trades. Let's see if we can do it. 804. Watch the overall portfolio is down 1% today. Down 1% today. Nothing at all. In a day like this, it's very, very good. Tesla, I've got my average now down to 856. I'm not going to buy any more just yet. Market Profit thinks it's going to go a lot lower. I don't really mind if it does because it'll bounce back. Rivian, look, if you see it, all the EV sectors doing the same thing. Virgin Galactic now 802. And we're looking for a quick trade with this one. Amazon is down. Look at Amazon today. I'm awake. Sorry to be late. No worries, mate. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Right, we got 9 likes. Got it, you in the background while I work. Usually it's Pink Floyd, but today it's a bit of Martyn Lucas. Very, very good, Richard. I'm very impressed with you, mate. We don't need no education. Do you want a little bit of Pink Floyd, Richard? Do you want a bit of Pink Floyd live in the show? If you give me a super chat, if you give me a tip in the live chat, I will go to my piano live in the show. I will pump the smoke out. I'll make it look like Pink Floyd in here. Lights everywhere, smoke everywhere, and I'll do your 30 seconds of Bring It. It's going to cost you a tip though, mate. I ain't doing it for free. Oh, by the way, those of you that are asking, yesterday closing bell, I wasn't actually here because I was doing a fundraiser in Dallas and raised over $100,000 yesterday. Fundraiser event that I was doing, absolutely amazing. and all the high society ladies of Dallas were all dancing in front of me. One lady come up to me and said, "Would you do Tom Jones for me? I'll give you $1,000." For the charity, not for me. I understand. I do it all for charity, right? So anyway, how many SPCE do I have now? I bought them all back, Mohammed. I have 1,600. I have more than I did this morning. Because I made my profit. I'm trying to get $1,000 profit out of Virgin Galactic today. So basically, I'll have quite a few free stocks. That's how I'm doing it now. Richard Lady says, "Bring it." He's not. Oh, Richard, here's something. This is for Richard. The benefit of Richard. Richard. This is for you, right? I don't know if you know, but we now have membership to our channel. We have sponsor members. $99 a month, right? You get. I've got global sponsors. Melinda Source. You might have heard of them. They're one of my sponsors. I have a global sponsorship. These are my sponsors: Nudge It, Budget, Move It, Melinda Sauce. They're a global brand. Papa Joe Grilling Supplies, and I put them on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I make them commercials. I do live commercials throughout the show whenever the sponsor is in the house. And if you're interested, then there's lots more perks as well. Free concerts, free fundraiser events. You don't need to pay me for fundraiser events. Exclusive content. Here is the invitation to join. Richard's a big businessman. He might be interested in this. I have seen your Melinda Source ads. Yeah, but you're not a member. There is the invitation. I tell you what, if you become a member live in the show right now, you won't need to give me a super chat tip. And I will do Pink Floyd for you. How about that? All right, we've got a trade coming up for SPCE. We've got some new people coming in now. I applaud your overall setup, meaning camera quality, integration of screens, pop-ups, etc. Really, really nice studio. I do not trade so far, but holding strategy is much fun the last weeks. Jochen Seeger, welcome to Jochen. Would you like to see the whole studio? If we get someone, give me a super chat, or if we get Richard Laley to become a member, I will go back. I will fill the studio with smokelet, and I will do a few second concert for you. How about that? Do you want to see that? That's especially for Jochen. Let me change that camera angle a minute. I'm going to change that. Stay right there. All right. We're under the piano now. That's what I'm doing, under the piano. All right. There we go. Let me change that. Okay. We're back in business. Okay, 8:06. We're going to get ready for a trade. Let me share the screen. There you go. There you go, Jochen. Cape Breton Island. Dennis Poirier is here. How are you, mate? Best trading day ever today. Been absolutely perfect. We're now upping the ante. We say this channel is about how to make $100 a day trading. We now are upping it to $200 a day. Because we average between $200 and $500, and after today it's gone through $650. We're hoping to get $1,000 today. We're upping it to how to make $200 a day. So great to have everyone here. If we get a member or a super chat, I will do some Pink Floyd live in the show. I've just pumped out, got the smoke coming out. This is the studio filling up here, ready to go. So you'll see it in a minute. All right, now then, let's see if we can sell these Virgin Galactic. We just bought them at 803. I just paid 2409. Okay, that's perfect. We're going to sell some Virgin Galactic now. Here we go. Oh, LT Knight's going. Oh, here we go. Here we go again. Right, review order. Sell 300. Review order. Sell 8010. What should we do now? 1040. This will take us to this will be nearly $1,000 today we've made from Virgin Galactic, and our share price has dropped to 822. Let's see if we can get 8010 again. 808. 808. I think we're going to get a bit of a lift this afternoon, but I'm not going to be greedy on it. I don't really care. A profit's a profit, right? I'd like to get $1,000 today on it. Here we go, 808. Should I be greedy and wait? I'm never greedy. There's no point doing that. 808. It got to 8010 then for a split moment. Let's see if we can do that. 807. 808. We've got half an hour to go before the bell goes. Let's see if we can get this to 8010. 8010. No such thing. 810. What am I talking about? Right. It's going to go back up there again. No doubt about it. My average is now 822. My average was 844 this morning when I had 13,000 on it. Let me clear the ticker, make it a bit easier for you to see. Get rid of that one there. Right, 808. Right. It's gone very, very quiet in the chat. I was hoping that I was going to try and get a member out of 809. Out of Richard for a bit of Pink Floyd. Anyway, Virgin Galactic Holdings. 808. This could be our next move. 807. We're going to go back to Tesla a second. Tesla's now moving up. We're getting things moving up now. So we're going to get some trades here this afternoon. We had trades this morning, but now we're getting some pushing up this afternoon. The overall portfolio now is just down 0.5%, which is great for a beat-up day like this. Great, but that doesn't reflect the profits I've made, remember? It's all about prices, not value. I'm gonna take some profit in a minute from Virgin Galactic. We're now up rating our show to be $200 a day, because $100 a day is easy. We can do that a day easy now. We're trying to up to 200 because we're averaging way above that. If you've just tuned in, I need 20 likes before the bell goes. Smash the subscribe, the like channel. There it is. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. If you can, we've got 10 likes. Oh, here comes the smoke for the studio. This is for the benefit of my friend who just tuned in. Who was it who just came in? Jock and Seeger. Look, we're pumping the smoke out now for you. We're getting ready for you. How much you down in space? I'm not down anymore. I'm not down anymore. What do you mean I'm down? We're not down anymore in SPCE. We've made nearly 1,000. Oh, there we go. Let's go 10. I'm gonna sell that there. 10. Do you know? I'm gonna sell it at, I don't know. A profit's a profit, Martin. You know it. Just sell that. Just sell those there. It's so unbelievably low. 11. It's going to go up again. I don't know why I just don't wait. I'm going to trim some off the top. 812. Oh, blimey. 813. Oh, wow. People buying in again. 814. We're now making $1,000 today if I sell this now on Virgin Galactic. 813. Don't sell. I've already sold it all today. I've bought it all back again. This is the second time. 814. If you just tuned in, give us a thumbs up. We need 20 likes. We've got 19 watching now. We need 20 likes before the bell goes. This is I sold it here today on this huge pump and bought it back again this afternoon. The overall portfolio now is down 0.5% today. It's been a great day. It's been one of my best ever days. I've now got 1,600 shares. How much you pay when you buy? My average is 822. There are no charges on Robinhood. There are no charges at all. 812, 813. We're pumping up now. Oh. Awesome. 809, 810. What's Tesla doing now? Is Tesla moving up as well? It's trying to. Rivian is moving up as well. SPCE is at 810. Here are the all links buttons for all the free stuff. We have free crypto to give away, free stocks to give away, the Instagram, the TikTok, the Discord group, all of that stuff. If you want to be a member, here's the invitation to join in the chat right now. It's also below all the videos. 814. This is looking very, very nice. 814, 814. 812. What's our crypto looking like? Bitcoin is now down, up 1% today. No, down 1% today. Down 1%. Same as Ethereum. Exactly the same. SPCE, we're watching it now. 810. I just paid 300. I bought those 300 for 2,409. Okay. We've got an indication where it's going now. 6. 806. 807. I think I'm going to sell it at 8010 this time. 808. $8.10. Holding it there now. We're getting ready for another trade. If you've just tuned in, good afternoon and welcome. It's going to go up before closing. It does certainly look that way. But I really don't mind now. I mean, literally, I was down 80% on Virgin Galactic. I was down tens of thousands of dollars. And I made my profit this afternoon. I've made nearly $1,000 on it now. Today, that's today, just today. And I've managed to buy back in, and I have 1,600 shares of it now. Started out with 15. So I'm very, very, very excited about it. Very, very excited about it. So you all thought I'd sold out this morning, but I bought straight back in again. As soon as I made my profit and it dropped back down again, I bought it back in again. Never join a fan club. It's all about making money, not joining a fan club. SPCE 807. That's what Apple's doing. Apple is down 160. 160. Oh, that's a good buy today. That's a good buy, and so is Amazon today. It's a really beat up day today. Really is. 809. You know, it's I got my finger right over it. With 20 minutes to go. We're very low on likes today. If you've just tuned in, smash the like button, guys. If you can give me a like, that'd be amazing. We just need 20 likes before the bell goes, and we're at only at 11. Very quiet this afternoon. Let me just check all the streams are working. Yeah, we seem to be good. Is Richard Laidler still here? I invited him to become a member. I thought he might have gone for that. In fact, where are all my members today? Where are all my members? None of my members are here today. Alex Hunt is here under his membership, but nudge it, budget, move it. It's a bit of a quiet one today. It's going to go up before closing. That's what Mohammed Tamir says. I remember I don't have a crystal ball, but you know, it's a long-term investment. But we get these short. Oh, I'm here. I didn't know if you were here or not. Isn't it quiet today? Waves. Very quiet. Only a couple of our members today. I think that's the lowest we've ever had for members today, and I'm surprised. In fact, I'm not, because on down days, I've noticed we're always quieter. I've noticed that. Over there on TikTok, Jocelyn Williams, thanks for the follow. Asimang, thank you very much indeed. 1,600 likes, you mate. Wow, making cash online with. Oh, thank you very much. Hello. Making cash online with ammo. It's been an amazing day today. We are now setting a target of $200 a day, every day, day trading. This is my trading screen right now. I'm here in YouTube. If you want to be with me, just click the profile link just here, and you will find the link. You've got the Instagram icon, and right behind there is the YouTube and Instagram feed. And you can go and have a look, come and join me. Then you can see all my trading screens, but on TikTok you can't. And I want to thank all of those of you. Oh, Bill's on TikTok giving me some love. Thank you ever so much, guys. 807 now. 808. Are we going to sell Virgin Galactic again today? Today's our best ever day on Virgin Galactic. Absolutely awesome. Couldn't have been better, to be quite honest. Couldn't have been better. We're looking to sell. We're looking to sell some SPCE at 8010. I think I'm going to do that. If it does that again. You're here as well. Tesla. Now, Tesla is dropping down. It's 767 now. I've got 9 shares of that. My average is 856, so it's much, much better. But we're going to wait for that. Rivian, we're going to hold for that. SPCE, we're going to trade that if it does 810 again. We've got 20 minutes before the bell goes. 20 minutes before the bell goes. Let's see where we go tonight. This is the best ever day we've ever had for Virgin Galactic so far, other than the flight dates. But to take an 80% loss down to 4% loss and then flip it for $650, take it up to 1,000 throughout the day, and then lower my average from 844 to 822, that's really the perfect day. Right. Amazon we're looking at as a steal right now, going at 2.9. Twitter has been hovering around today. Nvidia has been dropping all day, down 13% now on Nvidia. This is all to do with Russia, everybody. I'll tell you that now. This has got everything to do with Russia, the insecurity of Russia. Let me have a look. Let's bring in our BBC and Sky News over the top. I'll let you hear it at the same time. Let me go and double check. US warnings as military convoys reportedly seen moving towards Ukraine from Russia. An invasion fear grows. It's getting worse. Let me have a look. Let me bring in the live feed for you. Okay, breaking news here. I want to share it with you. We've got some breaking news from the BBC and Sky News. I'll share that with you right now. Here we go. Oh, there's Dave Mottram. There he is. Dave Mottram this morning is not very well, remember? So here we go. Here's our Sky News report. Let's bring it to you now.
Timings, but certainly it is the Pentagon's view that they could now move at any point. These are the images that I was referring to. Maxar is a public company, publicly available images. These are. You can imagine that the US Department of Defense has got much more detailed images. They've also got their own ability through drones, I imagine, and other things to be able to assess what is moving where, and they are using that to build a picture. Of course, the other thing that they do in the Pentagon, over the river in Virginia from here, is they work out what the American military would do if they were trying to invade a country the size of...
There we go. That's the breaking news, of course, with the BBC and Sky News. We bring that to you. Keep an eye, because that's what's affecting the stocks today. No question about it. That's what's affecting the stocks. Remember, though, always be optimistic. Always look on the bright side of life. More millionaires, billionaires are created during wars than any other time. It really is a time just to take opportunities, do the right thing, be optimistic. Never, never give up. Never, never give up. Okay? So Tesla is going down. Everything is going down right now. But opportunities to buy in and improve your positions. Let's get a quick trade with SPCE. We don't want to be in it now in the morning. We want to just make a quick trade if we can at 8010. We've got coming up to 15 minutes now. 16 minutes to go before the bell goes. And we're just down now 2% with Virgin Galactic, which is phenomenal. Phenomenal. It's been dropping all day after we sold off this morning. And this is perfect, really, for us right now. Couldn't be better. We sold out this morning, took our profits, and now we bought back. And we have more shares than we had before. I wonder how Muzanella's getting on, our biggest trader. Market profit. What are you doing with this market right now? What do you think? Right, we got day trader of the day coming up in a second. Day trader of the day. But first of all, we've got to hear from our sponsors. So here we go. Let's have a quick word from our sponsors. You can skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. There we go. We're back. Some of you saw the ads, some of you didn't. Okay. Now then, where are we going to go next? 806. 802. Want to sell at 8? I want to sell 300 at 810, if I can. The overall portfolio is down now 1.17. We will do day trader of the day in a minute, and we'll see who's doing the best. Tesla is down 6.7% today. Big drop for Tesla. My overall portfolio is 10% down on it. I've been buying it down as it goes down. Rivian down 7%, 25%, I beg your pardon, 7% today. SPCE, we're just trying to trade it to 810 as soon as we can. If we can do that, I will. There we go, 801. I'm going to edit this and do a limit order so I don't have to keep watching it. I'm doing a bit of market profit now. Look, limit order. I'm going to set so $8.10. Sell 300. Allow after hours as well. Limit price 810. I'll sell 300, sell at 810, 300, review order. Sell space, 810. If I can get that, I will. So I'm going to click sell there. Limit order, sell 300 at 810. Okay, done. We've set up a limit order there for Virgin Galactic to sell 300 at 810. And if we can just do that today, we'll be up nearly $1,000. Not far off, not quite there, but close. Alex Hunt 124 is over there. Hello, Alex. You're over there with Bill on TikTok. What are you guys doing? Why are you watching me on TikTok when you could be watching me on YouTube? What? I'm just going to show you the screen. Anyway, you can't cheat it. You can't get away. Why are you watching me on TikTok? All you're getting is the side of my face. What the bloody hell's the point of that? I don't know. What's going on? Billy's nodding in and out. He's falling asleep. There we go. I love the fact that he's falling asleep. There you go. I'm glad I provided entertainment for you. We are everywhere helping you. You are most certainly. You are most certainly. We're all helping each other. We all grow together. The bigger my channel gets, the bigger you get. That's the way it goes. Rivian is down 8%. SPCE now. We're just trying to get a quick trade at 810. It may or may not happen now. It doesn't matter. Tesla is down 7%. Market Profit said there's nothing to hold it up. This could fall all the way down. Hey, hey, hey. Beetle Sean is here. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Isn't that a song? Beetle Sean is here. Best ever day today on SPCE. We sold the entire stock. Made $600 profit. Then we bought it here and went here again, did another $50, and then it went all the way back down to lower than my average in the first place. I'm now an average of 822, so I've acquired more stock. Fantastic, couldn't be better. And we're waiting to sell 300 if it goes to 810, which it did a minute ago, and I didn't take advantage of it, but I will. We've got some more breaking news. I'm going to bring it to you now. The situation in Ukraine's getting worse. That's what's affecting the stocks right now.
Horrible fight.
Sir Andrew Wood, thank you so much for your time this evening. Now, thousands of renters could lose their homes in the coming months as the cost of living crisis deepens. Eviction.
Okay, that's not the news that we wanted. They've just finished that. We'll come back to that if we get any more. But there we go. 803. Let's watch. Amazon is literally diving today. If you can get Amazon for 2.5 around that sort of price, you'll get a huge bounce. We've seen it already. So Amazon is getting lower. So opportunity to buy an Amazon share if you've never owned a share of Amazon right now. It's getting increasingly. This sort of stuff doesn't happen with Amazon. That day when they had the earnings report was a day when it dropped like that. You don't normally see this. This is all to do with Europe. This is all to do with Europe. It's serious. But like I said, more millionaires, billionaires were created through wars than any other time. Just look at history. There's no point being doom and gloom about it. All we can do is do the best we can. And right now, you can invest in companies' valuations that are falling off a cliff. We've had this now for months. It's getting worse and worse and worse. Anyway, there's no point worrying about it. Just see it as an opportunity. That's the way I look at it. Everything is down. Today is a big red day. But I'm actually thrilled to bits with my position. I have to be honest with you. Down 1.41 now. We've got the day trader of the day coming up in a second. Day trader of the day coming up in a second. So we'll do that. And we'll see where everybody is. We're now upping the ante to $200 a day. That's the target now. We're making $100 a day. Now we want to make $200 a day, but because we've been averaging way above that. I'd like to speak to Muzanella if he's in our biggest trade. I'd like Market Profit as well to come back to me with his feelings and thoughts on what's going on. But I've always noticed that the show is quieter when we are on down days. I've noticed that. Now tomorrow, being Thursday, is a Thursday. What can I say about it? Thursday is a Thursday. Hey, that's a surprise. But Friday, Friday is Hey, Hey, Hey Words in Kansas City by the Beatles. Yeah, 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 yeah. I could do a Beatles song. Hey, Beatles Sean, would you like a Beatles night? A live Beatles night, and I'll do a live Beatles night. You're one of my members. You're one of my members, right? Let me have a look at your status. What's your status right now? Because I could, if you're a silver, I can do a 20-minute concert for you, and you could have a Beatles night. Invite all your family and friends. Let me have a look. I'm not sure what membership level you are. Let me have a look. Let me bring in the silver members. I think I'm going to go bronze first of all. I can't remember what level you are. But we'll have a quick look. Here we go. Here's all our members coming in now. You're bronze. There we go. Same with the hassle of doing it. Same with the hassle. So what you could do, you could an extra $2 if you went up to silver. You can always go back down to bronze again, right? I mean, you can if you want. I would do you a 20-minute Beatles concert in your name for you. You can have it. Just tell me what you want, when you want it. Tell all your friends. I will create the video. I will sit in my studio and I will do you 20 minutes of the Beatles music, just for you, live. And you can ask invite all your friends, and all you got to do is go up to upgrade to silver. Here's the link, and I'll do it for you. Anyway, just a thought. Just a thought. Anyway, let's go back. Let's see our sponsor level. We haven't shown this for a while. There's our sponsors, right? Nudge it, budget, move it. And Melinda Sauce. Sorry I'm late, busy at work. Moozanella, I've been dying to tell you. Dying to ask your opinion today. Moozanella, are you ready? Thank you. You're very, very welcome. It's your choice. Just click on the, here's the invitation to join. Just click the upgrade button. You can always downgrade again if you don't fancy being a silver member. It's up to you. Moozanella, mate, I'm talking to you. You ready? You ready? Are you ready? Right. I was 80% down with, go ahead, he says. 80% down with Virgin, as you know. Kept buying and chipping away, making little profits, and all the time acquiring more and more stock. Okay, I got more and more stock, so I ended up with 1,500 shares. Today, you saw me sell it all of it, the whole lot, because I knew that the good news was great, but people would sell out again because people are so far down with Virgin Galactic, they would take some profits in sort of lieu of what they were already down, right? Because some people bought it in at $30, $40. Some people paid $70. So I knew some people would sell out, right? So I sold here, the whole lot. I then bought it again here, 300 shares, sold it here, made another $50, and then bought it all the way back down. So I've now got more stock than I had before. I've got 1,600. 1,600. I had 1,500, all from 15, remember? I now have 1,600. And my average now is 822. When I sold this morning, it was 844. So I've made my profit, and we're now nearly $1,000. Just under $1,000 today we've made on it. Bought it back at 822, lowered my average, and yeah, very, very exciting, right? And I've just set an order to sell 300 at 810. We've got 4 minutes to go. It doesn't matter if it sells, of course, it doesn't matter. But I'd like to sell 300 shares at 810. Oh, 808. Hi again, Leyland Ralph is here. 807, 808. Will it go at 810? That's what I'm trying to do. So what do you think of that, Moose? Is that the best trade ever for Virgin Galactic? 80% down, got that down to 4% down, got that down to a profit of $1,000 today, then bought everything back at 22 cents a share less than I bought it in the first place, than I sold it in the first place, than my average before I sold. That makes sense. Brilliant. I have just had a cup of tea handed to me. I'm very excited about it. Nice and hot cup of tea. Cheers, everybody. Oh, right. A little update. All the Melinda sauce has been sent out. I want everyone to know all the Melinda sauce has been sent out. Also, that was our prize for last Friday. Also, the spices have now been sent out as well. That was last Friday's prize. Now on Friday, this coming Friday, We don't have any prizes right now. No sponsors giving me anything to get. Oh, 8010. Will it sell? I've got an order for 300 to be sold at 810. It'll go a bit higher. There, I think it just sold. Sold. Woo! Get in. Right, there we go. 810. Right, I just bought those 300 at 2409, sold at 2. Right, that's a $21 profit. Fantastic. Just under $1,000 a day then. Right, there we go. Nice. Trim back down again. Sure, great move. Thanks, mate. Leyland Ralph is here. Leyland Ralph is here. How did you get on, Moose? Because I know you made your money this morning. You sold here. Did you buy back down? Are you back in here again? What is your position? Have you bought back in again? I'd like to know. I really would like to know. So let me know. If you've just tuned in, we're a bit low on likes today. When we have down days, everybody's quieter. But smash the like button, subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. If you're over there on TikTok, how are you doing? Engineer1212. Where are you? Official Grow. I'm over on YouTube. Hello, here we are. We have set a new target, Muzanella. Not $100 a day anymore. We're now setting a target at $200 a day. All right, because we were averaging way more than that every day. So I've now made it $200 a day. I bought earlier 501 for 809. Congratulations, mate. Congratulations to you. So we're now making our new target of $200 a day trading. That is now our target. It was 100, but we've been beating that every day. So now we've upped it to 200. Mr. Blonde 68. If you want to join us, Official Grow 12, what you do is you click the profile link just here. Click the icon, my icon on TikTok, and you'll see the Instagram icon. You click on that, and you'll see the YouTube link behind it. For some reason, TikTok like hiding it behind the Instagram icon. Just click on it, and you can be in YouTube right now. Muzanella's here. The Queen of Self-Braiding just came in. The weather is in Texas is terrible. Yes, I know. I'm freezing. The Queen of Self-Braiding. I'm absolutely freezing in the house right now. I'll tell you that now. I could turn the heating up, but we're trying to save money, right? 811. Woohoo! The bell's gone. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. My average now is 822. Don't mind that at all. The bell's gone, and I apologise for not doing this. The bell's gone. I missed on it. All right. No, I bought PLTR and GGPI for now. I'm waiting for tomorrow to see which direction space will be going before I buy. Okay. Well done. 812 now. We're going up in the after hours. Wait, this is brilliant. 813. Oh, you can't go wrong now. You can't go wrong now. How can you be wrong now with Virgin Galactic? How can you be wrong now? You saw the pump this morning. It's going to come again. It's going to come again. Anyway, wait till we get the really good news. Wait till we get the flights. Then we're going to see something take off. Anyway, we shall see. We shall see. Tesla, I wanted to sell. I've got 4 shares of Tesla now to sell. Overgrown there as well. Rivian is down a day. SPCE is now up in the after hours 0.25%. I just sold 300 at 810. Very, very happy with that. Okay. No, I bought PLTR. There we go. That's Moody's comment. All right. Day trader of the day. Let's see who's done the best today on their day position, on their overall position. Down. Oh, Queen. Hang on. Queen's having a terrible day. We've all been there, Queen, right? We've all been there. Let's bring in the prices. Let's send some love to Queen of Self-Braining. We're going to do another Silver Star Day soon. And we're going to promote the Queen of Self-Braiding again. We did great the other day, and we're going to do it again. We need to come up with some original idea. So anyway, let's get ready for it. So I am down today overall on my portfolio, but that doesn't take into account that I've made nearly $1,000 a day trading. That doesn't really come into that because everything else is down. If it wasn't for that, if it wasn't for Virgin Galactic, of course, I would be down probably 3-4% today, which would not be so good. So down 0.96% today. Don't post your scores yet. Wait for it. I will give you the clock and then we'll do it. And let's see. You ready? Wait for it. Everybody wait for it. Getting ready. Okay, let me bring up the timer. Let's see everyone's scores today. Hello there, Malk G. Where are you? Official Grow. I'm on YouTube. I'm actually in Texas, Dallas, Texas. That's my location. But anyway, 1 minute from now. There you go. 1 minute on the clock. Soren S. I was up 2,500 earlier in the day, but I was afraid to sell. Now I'm just $70 up. Soren S. Never. I've been there. I know what that feels like. Right. Down 7% today. Queen of Self braiding. Oh, hard day today. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm down 0.96 on the day. Let's get everyone's scores. Soren S, we are so sorry that you are down like that. There's his comment there, look. Let's get the scores in. We've got 13 seconds to go. Am I going to win today? Am I going to win? Come on, someone can beat me. Someone can beat me. Who's it going to be? Who's going to beat me today? Come on. 3, 2, 1. Anybody beat me? Right, no one. Don't tell me I'm the winner. I can't be the winner today. Someone has beaten me. He's got to. Someone's got to have beaten me. Come on, what's going on? What's going on? What is going on? Virgin Galactic is now pumping up again. We're up 0.62 after hours. All right, I'm going to give myself the prize. How come? That doesn't make sense. Thank you to me. I never win. I hardly ever win at all, so I'm going to take it though. Do you know what I mean? I'm going to take it, and I'm going to give myself a big drum roll as I announce myself the winner. All right. Oh, Bill's up 2.45. There he is. Bill is up 2.45. So I'm going to give it to Bill. I'm going to give it to Bill. What the hell? Okay, Bill, here we go. This is for you, mate. Oh, no! Mohammed's come back at 3.6. There we go. Mohammed steals it. Mohammed steals it in the last seconds. There we go. Congratulations, mate. Doobie-doo-boom, doo, doobie-doobie-doo, doo-be-doo-doo. That's a great score. Love it. Well done, mate. Mohammed up 3.6. What a great score. Everybody congratulate Mohammed. That's an absolutely fantastic score on a day like today. Absolutely awesome stuff indeed. All right. Great. Proud of you all. Everyone's done well. We're all still here. We're all still alive. Tesla is now moving up. Got a nice average now of 856. Going to be selling some Tesla as it rises up. Great, 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 great SPCE. That's it. The end of a great day. It's been a great day today. Very, very happy with that. There's Queen. There's Bill. Let's bring everybody in. Today has been one of our best days. You've got to remember, it's all about positioning for a better future. All right, it's what it's all about. So really, really good. I'm trying to do something here and it's not working. Hang on. How do I get this to work now? Go into there. Go there. No. I'm not able to get... there's one thing I wanted to get to work and I don't know how to do it. I forgot how to do it. Ignore me. Ignore me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going mad. It doesn't really matter anyway. I don't even know why I'm trying to do it. No one's bothered. There we go. Thanks. You're very, very welcome, Mohammed. Great score, by the way. Really, really good. Well done to you. Brilliant. There we go. Let's end the music. Thank you so much, mate. You deserve it. You worked hard at it. It's hard. It's hard. It's very easy to make money on the stock market. The hard bit is to keep it. Let's hope for less days like today. Well, you say that, Drillion. You say that, but it was my best ever day. Even though I'm down right now, it's because the overall portfolio is down. I've acquired more stock. I've acquired more stock, and overall, I'm in a much better position. Look at it. On a day like today, I'm down $100 on Virgin Galactic with 1,300 stocks in hand at a much, much, much lower average, 822. The only reason, and it's enabled me to buy four more shares of Tesla. All the profits have enabled me to buy 4 more shares of Tesla. So I'm convinced that will pop up, and when it does, I'll be in a much, much stronger position. All right, there we go. Today's been a great day. We didn't get any requests for songs today. I thought we were going to get some Pink Floyd. I thought Beatles Sean was going to upgrade to become a silver member and go for a concert. Don't forget, on Friday, we've got Ace's daughter. He's a member. It's his daughter's birthday. And we also have Nudge It, Budget, Move It. We should do a big thing for Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Nudge It, Budget, Move It Day on Friday. It's his birthday. And it's also his, I think, twin sister. I think it was. So that's good. We're now rising up in the after hours. If you have a look now, if you look at it, we're at 0.83. We was such a bloody day. Yes, it was a bloody day, but things are improving right now, though. In the after hours, things are improving. Look, we're up 0.45 on the last hour, $160. Tesla's going to rise again. Rivian's going to come up with it. SPCE is rising in the after hours. SPCE now looking extremely good at this price. I mean, we learned last night on the earnings report. What we learned was they lost a lot less money than they anticipated. They did well. Look, the earnings was up. All right, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. That's the first thing. All right. The second thing is they're now expanding. They are going to take spaceports all around the world. They think people will want to fly into space from different locations, looking back at the planet, and I love that idea. You know, you can look over Africa, you can look over England, look over America. I can see why they're doing that. So that's going to be great. Also, as SPCE customers, it's not just about flying into space now. It's also going to be about the community that you network with, the big boys club, if you like. So it's a great concept, and it's just got even better. So at these prices, I'm thrilled to bits with it. Right, that's it for the day. I've got to get off. I've got some videos to make. I'm planning on some surprise content for the Queen of Self-Braiding, and also Nudge It, Budget, Move It. It's his birthday on Friday. We've got the cash giveaway on Friday, as always. We have a lot of fun with that on Friday. We're heading towards the 100,000 subscribers. When we get there, I'm going to give away $1,000 in cash. All right, so we are on target for under a year. Okay, Virgin Galactic is now 812. It's moving up. All right, I'm going to get off. Thank you ever so much for being here. Another wonderful day. There we go. Let's clear the tickers away and pack up the show. Time to go home. And I wish everybody the very, very best. Queen of Self-Braiding, I want to thank you for your lovely message you sent me this afternoon. And you are most welcome. I just love to be here to help and support in any way I can. And this is my full-time gig, serving you, helping you, all growing together. And Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Cheers, mate. Thank you. I hope you've got contact now with those people that wanted to hire your services. The Queen of Self-Braiding, I think I sent you 2 messages, Martin Redding and also Caden Youngquist. That was it. Drillion Demars, the Queen of Celebrating, it was a bloodbath. It was a tough day today. This is why a diverse portfolio is so important, so you mitigate risk, protect yourself. And remember, we've always said this, it's very easy to make money on the stock market. The difficult thing is to keeping your profits. But we're now upgrading the show. It's now going to be $200 a day is the target, because we've been making the 100 too easy. So we're going to push ourselves to $200. That doesn't mean to say we'll always do it. If it's not right, we won't trade, but that is the idea. All right, I'll see you all back in the morning for the opening bell, and Friday, of course, cash giveaway, and we're going to do a little surprise for Nudge It, Budget, Move It. It's his birthday, and we want to have some fun with that. All right, good stuff. So I'll see you all back in the morning. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.